Commercial products. POF's commercial division includes VA Industries Ltd, VA Nobel Group of Companies, VA Brass Mills Private Limited, Shotgun Ammunition Factory, Packaging Factory, VA Gezhouba and High Tech Plastics Private Limited. These subsidiaries produce commercial explosives, detonators, and hunting ammunition, and have extensive facilities for the manufacture of brass, copper, and aluminum ingots, both for military and non-military applications. VA Brass, after its upgradation, has become one of the leading producers of brass and brass items in South Asia, with an enhanced production capacity of 24,000 metric ton per annum.